What's up traders, a very quick and earlier update on nat gas, gold and crude oil, starting with nat gas. So very quickly I'm going to go through all three commodities. So what do we have right here? As you can see, as mentioned in my last video, we did have a nice head and shoulder pattern with this bullish engulfer. And if you would have entered here, the target of 1 ATR has already been hit. As looking at the ATR, if you know the way I trade, I always place my stop loss according to the ATR. So the first take profit is 1 ATR, which is coming up as 6. So if you calculate 6 just from the close of this candle, as you can see, the price did moved up around 9 pips. Now at this point, what to expect further from here? Going back on 4-hour time frame, we still are intact with this head and shoulder pattern, and looking at this 382 candle formed after the hitting of my termination zone. So I'm still positive for nat gas and it can still push up. So the very aggressive way to enter is right after the hit of my termination zone, which has happened right here, and the less aggressive way to enter is right after the break of the neckline. So on 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we do have a break of the neckline with this green candle. Looking at that, I'm still expecting a push up out of nat gas, and if nat gas pushed up break above 20 EMA, then we have a very likely chances that nat gas will continue to push up and hit the next minor level of resistance, which is 4.112 goes up to 4.193. This is the zone from where we can expect a pullback or a push down, or we can expect another head and shoulder pattern right here. That will be a major head and shoulder pattern, but at this point we are just looking at the minor head and shoulder pattern which formed on 1-hour time frame, and price is likely to push up. So keep these zones on your chart and enter accordingly. Any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. So same goes with Oanda, similar conditions there. So I'm not going to go through Oanda today. Let's quickly jump on to gold. Okay, right here on gold, what do we have? As you can see, as mentioned in my last video, if we have a break and close above with the 2 candles, now we are above this major level of resistance that has now turned support. At this point, looking at gold, we can expect a pullback of 50% retracement. That is right here at this point, 1866, from where we can expect another push up, and target can be 1 ATR. If the price continues to push up, then we can expect price to hit the next minor level, not a major level, which is right at this point 1908 goes up to 1920. This is a zone from where we can expect some pullback if the price continues to push up dramatically and hit this zone. But at this point, we are still, gold is still bullish, and if you have a pullback, this is the 50% retracement can be your pullback from where you can take your long trade. Use 1 ATR for your targets. Let's check crude oil. Okay, right here, what do we have? We have a push up out of crude oil, and price has now broken above 50 EMA. So at this point, we have a possible change in trend. So I won't be selling at this point. Now I want to see another green candle that can close above this zone, possibly 2 green candles. Then we have a confirmation that price has changed its trend, and it can likely to push up in a trend and hit the next level of resistance. So at this point, wait for the price to create another green candle above this zone. If that happens, yes, we can expect a pullback and retest of this zone. And if we have a bullish engulfer right here after a pullback, then we have a very good chance that oil is likely to push up. So looks bullish at this point, but I would still wait for another green candle to close above this zone for a confirmation that oil is likely to push up. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any question, any confusion, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.